Hello, my name is Rowan Osmon, and I'm here with teammate and our project GameScout.
My name is Max.
My name is Carlos Sac.
And unfortunately, our fourth team member, Sanij, was not able to make it to this recording, but we do have a fourth member. So I'm going to pass this over to Max so he can give a quick rundown of our project.
So the GameScout is a app where pretty much you can search through for the same game. You can search through different options, and it'll find the cheapest game, and send you to the service where you can purchase it. You can look up any game, and it shows your the current prices across different stores. And let's say also you like one game, but it's still, even with the cheapest option, seems too pricey. You can just set an alert in our GameScout app, and when the price games drops, you get a notification. It is also very convenient when you have it on your mobile device, since you always have it with you. So anytime you're getting an alert, you can just pretty much go on your app and purchase the game. This was designed specifically for people who like playing different games, and also since not everybody have the best financial situation, that's where our service steps in. So that way you can enjoy playing your favorite game, or the game you're always wanted to play, with the lowest possible price. So now I'm gonna pass on my other group members where they would go over our functionality of the app.
Excellent. So to start with, we have our login page, which should be visible on our screen recording here. So for our login, we're using Firebase for authentication. This allows us to either do an email and user set password, where you can create your own password and save your credentials, or to sign in with Google. For the benefit of time, we're going to sign in with Google today, but our login with email and password is working, and you can correctly register as a user. So on the next page, which is opening now, this is our actual deal page. So this has several features to help the user. There is a search feature in the top left corner where you can search for a game. So for example, we'll look at Helldivers, and this will find, the best deal for this game and the store that it's available from. And then the next feature that our application has is you can add a game to the favorites, which I'll have Carlos talk about in a minute. When you click on the game item itself, it will give you a nice game detail page where there's a link for you to buy it now at that sale price, add it to favorites, and then track price is a planned feature which will allow you to set an alert so that when the game goes on sale, you receive a notification in your email. In regards to login features, if you wanted to switch this out, so register a different email, you can simply log out and go back to that login screen. So next, we're going to go over to the favorites page.
Favorite games, every time the user wants to add the game to their favorites, they can just simply tap the button or go to the detail view and tap the add to favorites, and then the game is added to a local database that the user will be able to access at any time or any point without internet access. So if they just need to check the game that they have on the wish list, the favorites, they can see the prices.
Excellent.
And now we're going to talk about the next features.
Okay. So we have several planned features. We want to implement in the future a new release destination, which is one of these icons down here on our nav bar, where you can see games that are newly released, so that if there's something that's just come out and you want to wait till it goes on sale, you can quickly add it to your list so you can track it. In addition, we are most of the way implemented with our alerts system, where you will receive those email alerts. It's in a branch, but it isn't quite merged into our main repository, so we're hoping to have that done in the next few days. A top-rated games feature is also planned, where you can navigate to basically a filtered search where it filters by the highest rated games on Steam and Metacritic, and then you can browse through those. So that way you can hey, these are the best of games. And then we have a couple bugs that we're hoping to fix in the next few days as well with our features that are already in. And then we've been implementing milestones so that we can keep track of the project and make sure that we are getting things done in time. One final feature I wanted to talk about is the ability to purchase these games. In order to make this application work, we're making use of an API called the Cheap Shark API. One of the requirements for using the Cheap Shark API is that when we send the user to the deal, we use it through one of their affiliate links. So when you click on the buy now button, it is actually sending you an affiliate link so that you can purchase that through their API, and that's how they provide the API for free, how they pay for it. So our plans are not to monetize this app, at least not through affiliate links. Although if we were to continue development on it in the long term, we may want to do some basic advertisement logos, perhaps in an unobtrusive way at the top or bottom of the application. So thank you very much for viewing our team project, and I hope you have a wonderful day.